This is the teacher preview for the product One More, One Less, and these are for the numbers 1 through 20. This can be assigned in Google Classroom as well. For all of my products that I make for Google Slides, I do include a direction video for the students, so they just have to push play, and then they can see me manipulating my screen, showing them exactly what they need to do on theirs. So for this resource, they're going to be finding the number in the middle on the number line by clicking and dragging the oval right over top of the number that they see. Then we're going to be doing one less. Well, I'm going to take one hop backwards, and I see that that is the number 11. I'm going to double click and type 11 on my keyboard. Then I follow the arrow down and do the basic subtraction sentence. 12 minus 1 equals, and we just figured out that is 11. Double click and add in 11 on your keyboard. Then we'll do one more. So this time we're going to hop forward one, and we see that that number is 13. So we're going to type in 13, and then we're going to do the basic addition sentence. 12 plus 1 equals 13. I'll show you the rest of the slides over here on the left. Now there are 20 practice slides for them to go through. As you're noticing, the format stays the same. It's just that the numbers are moving and they're finding one more and one less for different numbers. Again, this goes through the numbers 1 to 20. At the end, there's an answer key for you, so you can print that out or have that next to you as you're grading. Just remember to get rid of it before you assign it to your students.